Welcome to this luxurious home located in the Palaco Grande neighborhood of Southeast Cape Coral. This home is Gulf access, 5 minutes to the river, 3,288 square feet of living space. Let's go in and take a look. This custom luxury chef's kitchen features one huge slab of granite on the island, a propane stovetop, 3 different ovens, 3 sinks, and a wet bar, perfect for entertaining. Check out this heated saltwater pool with a spa, and behind me you'll notice there are dual boat lifts, tiki hut, and an amazing view down this Gulf access canal.